What's going on, y'all? It's your homegirl Bree, and I'm back with another one. And here is the final look. Okay, I was gonna do like a cute little spring orange looking look, but I feel like spring not already here. Like the calendar says spring, but it's still giving me mixed vibes. So that's what we kind of have today. So we'll take a look here. And this is pretty much what I came up with. Truly some freelance type stuff. Nothing was planned. But this lipstick, y'all. This is Lady by Juvia's Place. And this is me in a lipstick. And it's so creamy and it's so easy to put on with like how this looks. Just my fave. But yeah, I just wanted to come in really quick and get y'all like a little tutorial. Hopefully we can get into some more eyeshadow looks. The weather gets warmer, you know. Happy Sunday to y'all. I hope all is well, and I will catch y'all in the next one. And thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Do all that up and through here. Follow me on my socials. They are listed down in the description box, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.